Namaste. Today we are doing meditation for beginners with movement, and is movement with breath and hands. It's very simple and everybody can do it. And it really can help beginners to meditate, to improve concentration. That's called Dharana in yogic term. Let's start. And you do more often this practice, so then you can develop. Like sitting into easy, comfortable pose, hands to your knees, lifting crown. Let's exhale longer, inhale longer. Just few longer breathing, follow my instructions. Soften shoulders, relax your five senses. Relax your ear, relax your sense of the smell, nostril. Relax your tongue, relax your jaw. Just few more long breathing. Continue, hold gentle smile on your face. Make a sankalp, make an intention. I am doing this practice to improve my concentration. Follow my instructions. Next, inhale, let's raise your arms up slowly. Exhaling, slowly arms down. Inhaling, raise your arms up. Keep your eyes closed. Exhaling, arms down. No rush, please. Your breath and the movement of your hands should be same speed. Inhaling, raise your arms up. Exhaling slowly and longer, wide open your arms and aware of every movement happening. Your breath and movement is sinking. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhaling slowly, arms down. Slowly breath in and arms up. Exhaling slowly. Inhaling, raise your arms up. Exhaling slowly, arms down. 3 more times, happier. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhaling slowly, arms down with a long exhalation. Second last, happier. Inhale, raising arms up. Exhaling slowly, arms down. Last one, inhale, raise your arms up. And exhaling, less hands to your knees, touching index finger with your thumb. Soft breathing, shoulders relax. Relax your shoulders joint. Relax your face. Calm your mind. Calm your mind. Follow my instructions. Just feel your breath is soft. Your mind is relaxed. And you're able to observe that. You're able to experience that your mind is relaxed. Just few more moments, you are doing very well. You're doing really good. Continue, relax your face. Relax your nose, relax your tongue, relax your five senses. Just feel, you can feel relaxation, you can feel calm, you can feel concentrated. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om Tiri Shanti, softly big inhale. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Proud yourself, big smile. You do this practice 2 or 3 times a day. That's really will help you to improve your concentration. And you do 2, 3 times a day for regular, and that will build like a muscles, but muscles of your concentration. Namaste, and have a beautiful, happy day. Hari Om, that's it. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yog Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.